Neck pain nagging you constantly? Let's turn the tide with 5 simple exercises you can do right from home. Grab a comfy spot and let's get started. Exercise 1. Neck tilt down. Lower your chin to your chest and hold for 15 seconds. Feel the stretch at the back of your neck. Release gently. Do this for 3 reps, twice daily. Exercise 2. Side neck stretch. Tilt your head to the side, bringing your ear close to the shoulder. Hold for 15 seconds for a nice side stretch. Then switch sides. Perform 3 reps each side, twice daily. Exercise 3. Upper trapezius stretch. Gently pull your head toward your shoulder, keeping the opposite hand behind your back. Hold for 15 seconds. Feel the stretch along your upper trapezius. Alternate sides, 3 reps each, twice daily. Exercise 4. Anterior neck stretch. Gently tilt your head back, looking up. Hold for 15 seconds, feeling the stretch at the front of your neck. Repeat 3 reps, twice daily. Keep movement smooth and controlled. Exercise 5. Shoulder rolls. Bring shoulders up, roll them back and down. Hold each roll for 15 seconds. Repeat 10 times. This eases tension that contributes to neck pain. Do these rolls 3 reps, twice daily. Neck pain doesn't have to be your daily visitor. These exercises, done regularly and with care, can help reduce your pain. If you're seeking more ways to alleviate neck pain, connect with us at Family Physiotherapy for a personalized approach. Dial 825-601-5787 or message us today.